Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a base controller. First, identify the input and output ports on your controller and your audio components. Make sure you have the correct audio cables, typically RCA, for your setup. Always ensure all your audio equipment, including the amplifier and head unit, is completely powered off before making any physical connections to prevent damage. This initial step is crucial for a smooth installation. Once everything is powered off, connect the audio source, like your head unit, to the base controller's input. Then, connect the controller's output to your amplifier's input. Double-check that all cables are firmly seated and secure. Finally, power on your components in the correct order. Typically the head unit first, then the amplifier, and then the base controller if it has a separate power switch. With all connections made and power on, play some audio through your system. Start with the base controller's level set to its minimum. Gradually increase the bass level to find your preferred setting, listening carefully for any distortion or clipping. The goal is to enhance your bass without overpowering the rest of your audio or introducing unwanted noise into the sound. If you encounter no sound, double-check every connection point to ensure they are secure and correctly seated. Sometimes, a loose cable is the simplest fix. For more complex issues, refer to your base controller's specific user manual for detailed troubleshooting steps and diagrams. Remember, a little patience goes a long way in getting your audio just right. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.